Hey, it's Yay for Yarn, and today I'm unboxing the January 2021 Knit Crate. Alright, so my Knit Crate came this week, and I am ready to open it up, see what's inside. Of course, I know which yarn that I picked because you can pick which yarn you're going to get ahead of time. But it's always just really neat to see, see it in person and feel it and see if it has any sheen or if it has a really nice texture, things like that. So I know what yarn this is, but of course we want to see what it's like in person. So let's open this up and see what the yarn is like. Alrighty. So these look like are extra, and they look like little labels that you can sew onto your projects when you give them as gifts. That is pretty neat. Yep, sew in labels, woven labels. That is cool. Hand stitched with love and lots of yarn. That is super cute. I like those, and they feel really nice too. So they're not like a label that's going to be super itchy if you put this like in the back neck of a sweater or something. These are very nice and soft and pliable. So that is a pretty nifty extra. And by the way, the theme for this month is shadows. And so on the back of the card, this month they are supporting planting trees in Guatemala for the tree planting project of the month. So with the eco-friendly membership, every month that you stay subscribed to Knit Crate, they will plant a tree in the area that they are working on for that month. So that's pretty nifty. And then here is the yarn. Oh, this feels really, really nice. Yeah, very smooth, soft. And this is Superwash Merino Kid Mohair and Silk. Wow. So this is super soft and smooth, but it has a really nice sheen to it. And just a touch of fuzz. It has a little bit of fuzz. Now, these little ends that are sticking out everywhere, those are not knots in the yarn. Those are the little yarn scrap pieces that they use to tie the hank together so that when you unwind it, it doesn't become a big mess. There's not really all these knots in the yarn. These are just the ends of the little pieces of yarn that they use to tie the skein into one big twist. But yeah, I really like the feel of this. The texture is really neat too. It looks like it's like a 2-ply twist. Doesn't say what yarn weight it is, but I guess I'll find out in the online thing. But the twist of this is like a 2-ply where there's 2 main sections of yarn and then they're twisted together, and that can make a really nice texture when you work this up into a project. And of course, with the eco-friendly membership, all of the patterns are available in the digital booklet. So all the patterns that come with this yarn are included in the crate. They're just not something that you can see and touch with your hands if you have the eco-friendly version. So you can download the pattern booklet online when you get your crate. And this yarn, I really love the feel of it. I don't know if it's the mohair that's in here, but it's not like a super fuzzy mohair. Some types of mohair have like this huge amount of fuzz halo to them. I generally don't choose yarns with a lot of fuzz as far as like that really fluffy, airy mohair type of yarn. I'm not usually one to go for those, but there's enough mohair, I think, in this that it has a really soft fluffiness to it, but it doesn't have the halo that normally comes with mohair yarns. And the silk, you can see the sheen in that silk. Very soft, very smooth, and very pretty. So yes, this will be super nice to see how it works up. So I am definitely very happy with what I got in my crate this month. This is such a pretty kind of teal-ish blue color, and I really love the sheen and the texture of this yarn. The little labels are also very cute and a handy thing to have if you make a lot of projects as gifts. So thanks so much to Knit Crate for sending me this crate to review. I love it as always. And if you want to try your own Knit Crate subscription, then you can do that by clicking the first link in the description box down below and use the coupon code YAYFORYARN20 to get 20% off of your first crate. And it's a really great way to try out different types of yarn, different textures of yarn. I would normally have never picked something with this type of fiber blend, but I really like it. It's very soft and nice quality. And I can tell it will be really pretty as a project. And you don't ever have to worry about getting a color you don't like, because you can pick which color out of the 3 that they get every month. You can pick which of those 3 colors that you want in your crate. So if you're a yarn lover or fiber enthusiast, this is a great subscription for anybody who likes to play with yarn and different types of fibers and textures and hand-dyed colorways and all of that. And I would definitely recommend you give it a try. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have ever tried a yarn subscription in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.